Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. This is the very first video of 2025 and a happy new year to all of you. I wish each and every one of you prosperity, success and good health. To kick things off, I'll be sharing my EDC pocket carry, and I've decided to go lightweight for the beginning of this year. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. So this is what I consider my pocket EDC. That means if I'm going out for kind of a normal day out to get groceries, to run errands. So I'm not talking about 24 hours out. I'm just talking about maybe 6 to 8 hours out at the most. These are the things I'll carry in my pocket. I won't even carry a pouch. If I know I'm going out for an extended length of time, then I might bring a pouch with a power bank. Or if I know I need to do certain things, maybe I need to go to someone's place to help repair something, I'm going to meet a client for a presentation, then this is not what I would carry. So this is just kind of my casual pocket carry, and I'll carry it in my pockets. So I want things lightweight, whether I'm wearing cargo pants, whether I'm wearing dress pants or casual pants, khakis. I want this loadout to be able to fit on my body. Alright, so 3 things, very simple. My phone, don't need to get into that. So let's go to these 2 items. The folder I've chosen is this Artisan Cutlery Home. It's a great EDC knife. It's pretty lightweight and very slim. So I like that profile. It can go into my pants pocket and I won't really feel it there. There's a thumb stud for deployment. Nice black blade, and this uses a button lock. Now the very interesting about this particular knife is that there is a secondary button lock right over here. So if you press that and it's in an open position, it can't close unless you press that and then you depress the button lock. Likewise, if you press that lock down, that secondary lock down, you can't deploy the knife. So it's kind of a safety feature. So I've reviewed this knife before. Do check out the link in the card above or description below. This is my chosen folder for at least this part of the year, and I'm very happy with it so far. So let's talk about the wallet itself. So it is a wallet, but it's also kind of a small EDC pouch. I've shown this wallet before. It's styled after a Japanese model, but this is actually made in Malaysia, and this brand is called Sniper, but you probably can find something similar. Essentially, it's a nylon wallet, waterproof, and then you have a zippered kind of opening, and then there are multiple compartments inside, so you can divide it up. So I find these very useful because I can really keep a lot of different items. Of course, I keep my money inside, various cards, but I also have an EDC kit. Alright, so I've got money on one side, and you notice these dividers over here, they help separate things. I've got various cards, property access card, identity card, and the credit cards. But let's go to the EDC items, which is probably more interesting to you. And again, you can see it's divided here, so everything is well organized. I do have a small pen. This is the Zebra expendable pen, the smaller one, so it fits right in there very nicely. And then everything else I've got in my DIY pocket holder over here. So the great thing about this is I could carry this separately, so it's a bit modular in the sense. If I'm carrying cargo pants, I could probably just carry everything all in one pocket. But if I was wearing pants which may be tighter and the pockets aren't that big, then I could separate this out. This would go to one pocket, this would go to another pocket, and of course the knife and the phone can go to other pockets as well. So let's have a look at what this is. So I've shared this particular design before. So it's an original design for an EDC pocket holder, and I've shared how to build this in a previous video, and I've also shared the drawing plans that you can download for free at urbannifeguy.com. So do go ahead to the website, download the plans, and you get the breakdown of my urban survival tin as well. But in any case, this is the holder. It's elastic, which is sewn, and is created multiple pockets, but you can see it's very solid. It is an organizer, but in a way it's its own pouch. So 1, 2, 3 sections over here which form pockets by the elastic, and then one more over here. So let's just start from the front. Got a Victorinox Rambler. So this is a great little 58mm Swiss Army knife. You got the main blade, but you also have this kind of a combo tool with a Phillips head screwdriver, which is probably the standout feature from the Rambler. And of course, you also have that small pair of scissors. So always nice to have that small pair of scissors. That's the Rambler. I have a flashlight. This is the OLED IR2, and it's a great flashlight, rechargeable, so you just use a Type-C cable there. I charged this maybe a year ago, and then I checked it probably after half a year, still going strong. I checked it before this video, it was still going strong, but I charged it up, and within I think 10 or 15 minutes it was really fully charged. So it held the charge very well. So that's an excellent little small light over there. This is the Gerber dime. Just wanted to have a small multi-tool beyond that Swiss Army knife Rambler, because I wanted that pliers too. So of course, with this sort of a tool, you do have the pair of pliers, but then you have knives and small screwdrivers and small tools all within the handles of the Gerber dime as well. So just a useful kit. And then over here, just some utility items. I do have some duct tape. In this case, this is gaffer's tape folded over. There's actually a plastic card inside, and this is just wrapped around. I've got eye drops. I've always talked about eye drops being so important in an urban environment, which is what this kit is for, because you always get dust in the eye, and I just find that very useful. And then I've got a small boo-boo kit over here. It's on this plastic sleeve, but basically band-aids, alcohol swabs, and just so that it's neat inside. And everything fits within this holder over here, so it's lightweight. I can carry this independently or as part of my wallet, as I showed earlier. So that's a quick look at my Pocket EDC for January 2025. What do you think of it? Do you intend to go lightweight this year, or are you going with a full loadout when you go out to have a day out in town? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.